Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 8 in PowerPoint. Right, so in the last lesson we talked about the text basic, and I told you that you can bold, you can underline, and just like in MS Word you can make use of all this your alignment. You see left alignment here, you see center alignment, you see right alignment, so you can make use of them. So that is how it is. You can change the fonts, you can change the font to anyone that you like. I hope you understand. So you can change the fonts, coming. So select all. Once you select this placeholder, that means you have selected all. So you can change the fonts. You can change the font to anyone that you want. You can change the font. You can see the font is changing. So that is how it is. You can change the font, and you can increase the size of your font. You can increase the size of your font using this A. This big A you can increase. Using this small A you can decrease. I hope you understand that. Alright, so you can change the case just like MS Microsoft Word, sentence case, lower case, upper case. Just make sure that you select the placeholder so that the effect will be applied to everything inside the placeholder. So you say uppercase, capitalize each word, toggle case. See, so let's say capitalize each word. Alright, so that is how it is. And font is very important. This font, all these fonts are very using in doing your present. Don't use fonts that your audience won't be able to see, and they'll be find it difficult to see. Don't say this font is fancy. No, as you can see, this particular font that is very good. It's not every font that is good for presentation. So as you can see, this part is very good because everyone can see it. So this kind of font like this that is bold, you can use them. So that is how it is. So, and we talk about our team. Yeah, we talk about our team. So, and in our team, as we chose our team, I tell you that Teams gives you a quick and easy way to change the design of your presentation. So they control your primary color, they control your basic font, they control your slide layout. Alright, so that is about your team. Alright, so when you change a theme, it will determine the kind of color that it will give, though you can still choose variant here. So you can choose variant, you can choose the effect here. So but I told you that just little is okay, little touch is okay, just to make your presentation to be well presentable. Alright, so that is how it is. So when you select when you have already formatted, and I told you that when you have already formatted your presentation from white, you have applied color, and you now come and change the theme, and you now come and apply the theme, it can do what? It can disarrange your presentation. So I told you like that. Alright, so, and you know how to apply your theme. Alright, so now let's now talk about transition. Now I want you to hold this term, and the term is transition is for slide, animation is for object. Transition is for slide. Alright, so animation is for objects. Hold that at the left of your palm. Alright, so now let's now move on. So let's talk about the transition. Now this transition is just like fading. you are applying effects, just like if you are applying effects to the next slide, like you move from one slide to another slide. So by the way, let me quickly write something here. So let's say PowerPoint tutorial. So let's say PowerPoint tutorial. So let's leave it like that. Okay, so let's say this is PowerPoint tutorial 8. Let me change this one to white. You see, I have white here, and I also want to have white here so that my presentation will look good. All right, I still have another one, steps in PowerPoint. So I'm just trying to create a presentation actually, so just trying to draft something. All right, so let's say the next slide is advantages of PowerPoint. So let's create something. So let me put this one at the center alignment. Let me put picture here. Let me put a picture here. Let me put a picture. Which picture should I put? I still have this picture coming. Okay, let me put this picture. Let's say I've put this picture now. So let me put this picture too. Let me put a picture.